What's up, everybody? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and today we have Cody's BMW, aka Samantha. It is our N54 2007 BMW 335i. That's right, it's an N54. It's a twin turbo inline six. So we got it on the dyno, looking good. We got Watch My Eco over here, ready to watch. He's debating on going BMW. Nah. But Cody's car, so we got it all hooked up. It's ready. We got the fans set up, get it cool. We're letting it warm up right now. Getting some RPM readings, and we're gonna make a hit. We got some big fat tires on the back. We got it ready. It's strapped down. So guesses. My guess, okay? My guess for horsepower is gonna be...
You rode in it, you drove it.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna guess, I'm gonna go low. I'm gonna go 395.
That's low?
Horsepower.
That's low.
395 horsepower, 415 foot-pounds of torque.
I'm gonna go solid 410, 400.
410, 400?
I'm gonna go 360 and around the same torque. I'm not really sure on these cars.
360. All right. Watch My Eco says 360, 360. I said 395, 415, and Cody said
410, 400.
410, 400. So car should be warm enough here. We'll do a little drive. We'll test it out. This is a 6-speed or an 8? 6-speed. So we'll do it in 4th gear was what we'll try. 5th is probably 1-to-1, but we probably don't want to do 140. So we're gonna do 4th gear and see what numbers we get. So fingers crossed. Don't go BMW boom.
Bimmer boom.
Don't go bimmer boom. Don't go bimmer boom. We don't want it to go eco boom. So let's do it.
It might rub.
You tell me.
It's an inch away from the fender.
Yeah, you want to stop real quick?
I mean, we're not gonna hit a...
It shifted.
Let's try another one. I think it's warm now. It might not have been full boost.
Oh.
Well, So far I'm winning numbers.
The torque though.
The torque is pretty good.
Torque.
Not bad.
That was right on.
Yeah, 411. I'm proud of it even now. Trying third gear. That's just what it makes.
More load.
Oh. You turn the load up, maybe make more boost.
Yeah. All right, so we did the runs a little bit lower than expected. However, we didn't tune it yet. It still has stock intakes. Still has a couple cats on it. We looked and found all it has is basically a catless downpipe.
That goes 3 inch and then really tiny into 2.5.
Yeah, it's kind of weird because it goes into stock exhaust. So we have to modify the exhaust, get some intakes on it, and then we'll definitely play with the tune and give it good fuel. But still not bad numbers. So we're gonna compare it to Watch My Eco's numbers, okay? So Watch My Eco's numbers. He made 387, 471 on his E30 tune, okay? So let's compare that to the BMW Samantha. Let me find it. Where is it? There it is. Cody's BMW. All right, so compare that to Cody's numbers. We made 381 and 441. So it's a pretty good graph. I mean, 4,000 RPM is where it made max torque, and 3,000 in the other run. So, I mean, it's a pretty fast car already. I mean, it's pretty comparable to the EcoBoost, and Zach runs mid-11s. Like hard 11s all day, no matter what. But what we got to remember is that is Zach on an E30 tune. What do you make on 93? Like way less? Yeah, doesn't want to talk about it, way less. So if we can get Cody and Samantha on some E30, fully E85, Ascendant C85 tune.
Nitrous.
Nitrous. I think we can definitely get up above that 400 mark, 450, 425, somewhere like that, and this thing will be flying. But we're gonna go take it for a spin. But the next time you guys see the car, we're gonna be fixing a couple things, and then we're gonna take it to the track, and we're gonna see what it does before we modify it. Because we gotta see what it can run, and we're gonna see what the Raptor runs. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll check you later. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Peace.